How y'all doing, Sip Sip? So today is Martin Luther King Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's a day meant for reflection and unity and remembering the fight for justice that MLK led. But today that recognition was noticeably absent from our commander in chief. And when it comes from leadership, it sends a message, whether intended or not. Let's talk about why this matters. So today is MLK Day, as I said. Today is a day to reflect, a day of service. So today is meant to live out the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And as most presidents do, they come out and they have a speech and they'll say something, but today is noticeably absent from the Orange Man. So the Orange Man wants to erase this day. But just a year ago, the Orange Man said that before he was inaugurated, he said he wanted to thank Black and Browns for their commitment to his campaign, and he was going to do everything that he could do because he gave a speech. He said he was going to do everything he could do to keep Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream alive. You understand what I'm saying? But guess what? So what Trump has done, the Trumpster has done, is that he's taken, so on every national holiday, all of the national parks have free admission. Yeah. So on all of the national holidays, you can go to a national park, and typically where you may have to pay $7, $8, $9, $10, whatever the admission fee is, today is free. Or on national holidays, these parks are free. But guess what Trump did? Trump has removed Martin Luther King Day. Is no longer free at every national park. And also he's removed June 19th. So that's why I tell you that whatever this man says is a bunch of bullshit. And he don't believe what he's saying. He's just putting it out there because he know the masses of you are not going to pay attention. You're not going to go do the research. You're not going to remember what he said. You're just going to roll with it because it's easier just to believe somebody with what they tell you. But Gavin Newsom, the governor of California, says California defies Trump's and make admission free for over 200 parks in California on MLK Day. Yeah, that's what I said. So Governor Newsom defies Trump. After President Donald Trump slashes free admission to national parks on MLK Day, California state parks will offer free admission for over 200 parks on the holiday. In a news conference, Governor Newsom said that the state will be able to raise private funds to offset the costs. And so Newsom said, hey, I don't give a damn what you said. I want to be on the right side of history. So I'm going to offer free holidays because it was free before. It should be free again. Not because you feel in some type of way. But this is what Trump did also. He canceled the free admission on Juneteenth and the holiday. But then he made it free. Guess what? Ding, ding, ding. He made it free on his birthday. So that's why this president don't give a damn about being presidential. He don't give a damn about using his political power to get back at folks and act like a little biatch and hold grudges and want to, I'm going to sick the cops on you. I'm going to sick the Department of Justice on you. I'm going to sick the IRS on you. If you don't agree with me, you going to pay. So what he did is he said, damn MLK Day, give a damn about being silent. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make June 14th a free entry day. That's Trump's birthday. So he was like, damn Martin Luther King Day. I don't give a fuck. Y'all going to pay on this nigga's holiday. I mean, this Negro. Yeah, y'all going to pay. But on my day, June 14th, which is my birthday, you can go to the parks for free. So this is what he's doing. Project 2025 is in full effect. And this is some crazy... it says that the NAACP condemned the administration's decision. But what are y'all doing? What are you doing? What are you doing as your part? What are you doing to fight back against some of this nonsense that's happening on this day of reflection? This is supposed to be a day of reflection, but hey, Yeah, this is crazy. MLK Day, January 19th, and he said, no, I'm putting it on my birthday. I can give a damn what y'all talking about. I'm going to celebrate my day. So that's what it is, and that's what it is. So hey, I don't know. What do y'all think on this holiday where we're supposed to be celebrating the man? Let me know your thoughts. Does this symbolic moment still matter in leadership, or has the expecting change? Do we expect our leaders to lead in a way that's going to unify the country? What do y'all think? Y'all drop me a line, sip sip.